First, we write down the formula, then identify a, b, and c. A equals 6, the coefficient of x squared. B equals -3, the coefficient of x. And c equals -4 is the constant. The next thing to do, now that we know what a, b, and c are, is to substitute them into the formula. Anywhere you see an a in the formula, replace it with a 6. Next, we replace the b's with -3. Notice the formula calls for -b, so we have a double negative, and there's also a b squared, so we're going to have a -3 squared. Finally, replace the c with a -4. Now that we have all the proper values in place, all we need to do is simplify. First, let's simplify what's in the square root. -3 squared is +9, and 4 times 6 times -4 is 24 times -4. 24 times -4 is a -96. So we have the square root of 9 minus a -96, which is the square root of 9 plus 96. Also, notice that in the denominator 2 times 6 was 12, and notice our double negative gave us a +3 in the numerator. 9 plus 96 is 105, and you can use a calculator to find the square root of 105, which is 10.2 rounded to the nearest tenth. So now we need to find 3 plus 10.2 over 12 and 3 minus 10.2 over 12. 3 plus 10.2 is 13.2, but 3 minus 10.2 is -7.2. So we have two roots as 13.2 over 12 and -7.2 over 12. We can use the calculator to simplify these values, and we have our two roots. 13.2 over 12 equals 1.1, and -7.2 over 12 equals a -0.6.